See now, right? Oh, no. And that was off the line though.
2756, 2553.
And that's because let me get a full one. Let me get a full one straight through there. Who ready, Benji?
Would you break?
No. Much power.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Nice and straight too. Came out. Woo! Woo! And you hear it kicking it in the big end.
455.
Talk to me. Hold on. Let me go up. I was cogging two off the line. You didn't hear it?
Yeah.
I was full all the way. I didn't let out. Not one time. I just controlled it straight through. Fuck it.
Mine's not fucking that.
A little bit more in the big end.
That's your problem.
I didn't want to let off. I needed that time. I needed it. I ain't want to let off. Fuck it.
485.
That's because I hit the thing though. I'm trying to get it to where it won't cog, but at that time it didn't cog. It just came on slow as hell. Hear the tire? They been. It's been like that. Still been running it. I got the reactions right there, but I'm sure they ain't gonna run as good as these because the reactions really need to be heated up. Them shits, you could just put it on the ground. They busting out to the shit. They're like no good at it. Nice pass. See what it did.
29 at 52.
He came around you on the big end.
Now you need top end.
He came around you on the big end for sure. That was a nice save. You didn't even hit the DTS.
I did that last season. Blew out my whole front end.
Yeah. Nice save. Woo! That was a nice save because you didn't even touch the DTS. All you hit was the cone. Damn, Charlie, how many boost you put in that thing? Good to go. Damn. That's a big difference from where you first came out. Both cars. See, I went over there in the lab. All right, I see what's going on. Okay. He used that off the Corvette. Damn.
I know you're gonna zoom that in.
This thing is leaving. You good to go. You having the same problem you was having. I'll tell you after though. It's getting speed. It's getting there. Easy, easy. Easy, papa, easy. I gotta give you more speed for sure. Get his ass. He definitely. Oh shit, baby. You got some work to do now. What happened there? Yeah, needs more speed. They probably won't give it because they didn't give a winner. Oh, 3-1 at 35. Need more speed. He broke. I smell his tires, Benji. What that mean? You ready? You think so? Alright, I hope so. Get him as warm as you need, Papa. Bring it on, Benji. We back. We back at it. Ooh.
Hey.
Kicked in too late.
Nice run, nice run. Ooh.
Kicked in too late. Don't worry, Benji. Kicked in too late for Benji. Set us up again. Maybe my battery died. Let's see. Yeah, I'm dying.
Go, come on, Andrew. Revenge.
Yeah, you know it.
Revenge.
You know it.
You know it.
Yeah, it smoked your ass this time, Benji.
Ah, 101.
And I'm turning up. Come on, Papa. I'm turning up.
Really? No?
Snow in the tested tool. You see how we doing it?
Oh my God.
Yeah, vamos.
Vamos allá.
Talk to me, bro. Yeah, you see what's going on here. You see what's going on. Ah, Benjito, 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 dame, dame, Brito. 2-5 in their ass. Get him.
It wasn't just the axle.
What broke? Oh no.
Fucking built training.
Damn. You ready? It's really snowing out. I'm gonna go up on you a little bit more now.
Esta fiebre, puñeta.
Boy, that thing rolling. Yeah. Tell me something good. Yeah.
I went down.
Damn, it's fucking snow. We gotta go. One more fucking. He was cheating, so I had to take him out. Ah, you put a little mark on my body. All right, y'all. Me and Benji wrapping up the tester too. Talk to me, Benji. Benjito, Benjito.
I got it. Alright, was it 6-8?
Yo, that was full throttle straight out the hole. Talk to me, Benji.
6-6?
2-4. 2-4 there, baby. Ah, Benjito, Benjito.
Hey, I know where I'm at right now. So, I know what I'm gonna do. Put it away.
Yeah, Benjito. All right, y'all, we about to wrap up the testing tool. Started to snow on us, man. 47 degrees outside and it's snowing, right? Talk to me, baby. Baby, baby, baby.
UPS.
Thing look good, it's riding good. Drive good. It might be a little wet because of the thing. Yeah. You hear my car though, Benji? You hearing it? Nice, nice.
Let me hit this. It's not fully charged, but.
Hey, 3.2 at 40. All you need is some more. Damn, I already cracked my body. Damn. That's when I hit that damn cone over there. Benji got tired of me whooping his ass. He went and got 6S on me. He went and got 6S on me. It's all good though. You ready, Benji? I turned it up all the way on his ass. Come out spinning now. Same tires. Same tires. I might run them next week at the event. I don't even want no new ones, and I got them right there. I rather these. These things haven't been holding up. Yeah, that's my next step. Go. Yeah, that's because I was playing with it. EPA? What did we do?
Thing.
Yeah.
Like someone posted on Facebook, one of the pages.
System.
Someone posted on one of the pages on how they do it. And I think the best one people were talking about was do a chip draw.
Yeah.
So you get to the last 10, then redo the chip draw.
With
and
the
then last 10 will be the list. First place $30 ounces.
Yeah. That was a hard hit. Man, look at that brand new body. Beat up. I done damaged the front.
Brand new beat up body.
Brand new beat up body and then cracked it up.
Not geared right. I actually took the spray.
All a part of the testing, but we're gonna still rock with it. We're about to call it a day. Thanks to everybody who came out. It was a good test day.
I ran them off at X last year.